Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 79. Find the x-intercept of a line that has the following equations. 2y equal 3x minus 6. So this will be the quick questions if you know the keywords x-intercept. What is x-intercept and how to find the x-intercept? So x-intercept is when the graph of a equations will be cross the x-axis. This is the x-axis and the y-axis, right? So it's crossed at a point that we'll call it the x-intercept. And the x-intercept have the order pair at x-intercept, comma, 0 for the y, because see that y value is 0. Okay, so to find the x-intercept, we know that y value will be equal 0. Based on that, for these questions, you will plug in y equals 0 and then solve for x. So let's copy that down again. So we have 2y, right? That equal 3x minus 6, and y is equal 0 because of the keywords x-intercept. We know y value is equal 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, that 3x minus 6. You can write like that, or you just kind of like making 3x minus 6 equals 0 to make it like look more smooth. When usually I will have like more terms on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side usually I will make it 0. Okay, so it's the same thing. So we add 6 both sides, so we isolate the 3x. Okay, this one gone. Now we have 3x that equal 6, 0 as 6, right? And then we divide both sides by 3. So we isolate x equal 2. So the correct answer is 2, D. So you said, when I choose the 0 and on the left side, I turn it to the right side. In this case, is that I can do like still keep it like that and solve for it without changing the left or right side? Yeah, you can still do the same thing. See that you add 6 both sides. Okay, so you have 6 equal 3x because this one gone. Okay, now you divide both sides by 3. It's the same thing, but it's kind of like make my eyes flow better because I used to do like that. Okay, but it's still the same. 2, and this one cancel. See that you have like 2 equal x and x equal 2, the same thing. But usually we want x on the left hand side, so that we say what we need to find. We need to find x, and what is the value we find? Is 2. So x equal 2. It's kind of flow good. But this one you say 2 equal x. It's kind of a little bit crooked there. Okay, so but anyway, it's the same answer, right? But I prefer this one. And I think most of the math teachers or professors or anyone who working on math problems, they will like how to answer it like this. Just the unknown, and then what is the value is half. Okay. Because of these questions, it relates to the intercepts. So I will introduce you about the y-intercept as well. So you see this one, when the graph is cross the y-axis at a point, we call it the y-intercept. And the opposite of the x-intercept, y-intercept have x equals 0. And then you have the y value here, that is y-intercept. Okay, would like that, intercept, comma 0. And then for the y-intercept, we have 0, comma y. So for this one, you see that when x equals 0, then you find the y-intercept. For x-intercept, you plug in y equal 0. Okay, write like that. X equals 0 when y, you try to find the y-intercept. So keep this in mind because the next questions or your test may be asking about the y-intercept as well. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.